What up, y'all? It's your boy Deadhed in this bitch. Got a little something in the mail. I just had a fucking knife over here. I'll open it. Oh, it's right next to me. See? Knife. Helps cut this bitch open. And also the saran wrap. Rip this bitch up. Okay, don't worry. You probably think I look so confident opening this thing. I know what's in here. I think. This is a pain in the ass. Oh yeah. Twisted shop. Alright. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, this thing is chilling on top of my heater. So if you're dang, doing whatever. Motherfucking R.O.C. Oh hell no, the remastered. Anything else in this bitch? That's not what it is. I left fucking nothing else in there. Sometimes they put in inserts, but oh well. Thing doesn't look tightly wrapped in fucking saran wrap. That's cool. Oh, never mind. Gotcha. There's another cling noise. Alright. As you guys may know, if you're a big fan of the R.O.C, like myself, he put out 2 reissues last year. One was Exposed, which I'm going to be getting soon. And, well, I don't know. There's the insert. Come on, you bitch. Okay. Professional burnt disc. Oh. Yeah, look like a burnt disc. But I'll live because it's won the R.O.C. too. It's one of the albums by him I really like. This case has all kinds of problems. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a review of this album pretty soon. Um, Nothing really much to it except for someone must drop this fucking package. It's cracked. Not the CD, the case opener. You know the case, the cover case, and the part of the CD thing. Might just say fucking find one of my clear jewel cases and put this bitch in it. Once again, this is R.O.C. Oh hell no. Oh look, alternating covers. Oh, it's clear. I don't think it's a Kunaki manufactured TV. Nope, nope. You motherfucker. Guess I already have the track listing. REM, Catch Me If You... Wait, shit. No, I'll just do that in the review. Fuck it. Black Jewel Case. Awesome album. Quick unboxing. Loved it. Now again, I will be getting Exposed as well. The album. Exposed. Oh, items too. What was the other item? Ow. Oh yeah, the free downloadable single. Alright. Boy Deadhed and peace. Review of Oh Hell No coming very soon. Now he's supposed to, R.O.C. is supposed to be releasing a new album this year. Hopefully that comes too late. So I'm gonna be doing a review of what albums I can buy from him, which is one Exposed, which I'll be getting that next week. I'll probably order it Sunday and have it here by next Monday. No way, here by it seems Friday of next week. Yeah, they're not exactly the fastest shippers anymore. But depends. If you pre-order something, then they get that shot you on time. If you just order an item that's already been there. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And like, comment, subscribe. I'll post a link to Twisted Shop, just Twisted Shop, in the description below.